Hello my lovely Misfitans, and welcome back to another vlog. So today's video is going to be really different. It's just going to be basically a home movie type of scenario of me playing around with the dogs with Halloween costumes and just having a good old time. There's no watercolor stuff in this video. It's basically a old style home movies video, which I absolutely love those types of things, especially with my dogs, or even watching that type of stuff online with pets and animals, because I think it's just so cute. So that's going to be this week's video. A lot of you have been asking to see more footage of the dogs, so this whole video is dedicated to them. I do want to say for the theme for November, a lot of you, I've noticed, were commenting moon. So we are going to do moon for the month of November. And you probably noticed I'm kind of feeling under the weather this week. So for next week, I'm going to take off. But then I'm going to come back November the 15th with new content once again, starting up on Sundays. And I will be back with a moon painting most likely that week or the week after. I'm not sure exactly when, but I will be doing a moon painting either the 15th or the next week. So lots of love, y'all. Enjoy this particular just home movie kind of feel, and happy Halloween. Lots of love. Bye. Teddy isn't a big costume fan, so a lot of the stuff we would buy for her is this type of stuff. So Teddy always liked this type of stuff. Hang on, let's put it the other way so you can see it. All right, go show the camera. Come here, Teddy. Yeah, so good. Come on, sit. Sit for the camera. She usually likes these types of things, so she's a gister. This was Pepper's costume last year. She was a little fox. I don't think it's gonna fit her anymore because this was when she was a baby. Come here, you were a baby when you wore this. She's like, I don't know about this, Mom. Come here. Yeah? You want to eat it? There we go. Yeah, that's too tight. That's too tight now. It's too small. You're such a baby. And then this is Teddy's from like 2 years ago. She was like a superwoman. So, Teddy. There you go. Superwoman. So, these have Velcro on them. Man, Teddy, you gained some weight, hun. Yeah. Can I pop this off of you? There we go. And then this was Teddy's one year. It was a little pumpkin. You want to try this? She's like, Pepper does not like collar stuff. It's really funny the difference between the two of them, because Pepper does not like collar stuff, but Teddy does. Teddy likes collar stuff. Pepper would rather have actually, if you put a shirt on her. This was hers last year too. I know this won't fit her, but she was a little diva girl last year. But she liked this last year. I think it's because it's a security thing. Pepper actually has a lot of anxiety, so this was more of a security thing, I think, actually. She used to like wearing this, actually. a lot. And this was for Teddy's birthday. So you can see that. And I'm saving the best one for last because I have no idea how Pepper is gonna react to this one, and I don't wanna push her too much. This is just Teddy's fall jacket. Whenever we would go to like the mountains or stuff like that and it's cold and we had to walk her, we would get her this. Hey, you took it. And then this is also Teddy's. It's a little bunny costume. It's huge though. Okay, so this is the one that I'm really excited to try on Pepper actually. This is a cowboy one. This is what we gave Teddy when she was a puppy. And she had a blast with it. She went outside and was crazy. I actually had that on a vlog. I don't know if it's still up on the channel or not. Hey, I know I've been bugging you all freaking day, but can I please put this on you? I'm just gonna bug you for this one. Everything else you can get away with. I won't force you to wear it, but I want you to wear this one. Oh, it fits. Yeah, this was Teddy's old one. So, let's see how she does with it. She's kind of like unsure right now. Are you very unsure of yourself? Teddy, come here. Can you get up here? Okay, can you sit? Good girl. Pepper, can you come here? I can't even tell if she's at the camera. Okay. Peppa, what's wrong, baby? She's like, I don't know about this, Mom. Come here. Come here. I love you too, Daddy. I love you. You're so good. All right, get down. Come here. I'll take the pumpkin thing off you. You like that? Okay, you can go play with it. Peppa, come here, honey. I'll take it off you if you come here. Come here. You're such a good dog. Come here. Come here. I'll take it off of you. Come on. Come here. Come here. There you go. Good girl. Here, I'll take it off. I know it is bugging you. Whoops. There. Want it? You want to play with it now? Oh, you're going to rip it up with your sissy. So that is doggy Halloween costume time in the Luke household. They're probably going to try and rip these up now, which is always fun to do. Anyway, just thought you all would have a little bit of a fun time watching them try on Teddy's old stuff. Teddy's more of actually a trooper with the Halloween costumes. Pepper funny enough, she likes the sweater stuff. And I think, like I said earlier, I think it's anxiety. She likes actually the sweater things. So I thought she might actually like this, but you didn't like it, did you? You're like, Mama, please don't do that to me. Anyway, hopefully this brightens your day. This is just a little extra thing that I thought y'all would enjoy with the doogies. So lots of love, y'all. Have a wonderful and safe happy Halloween, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.